reached across the space, preparing for departure.
Quick question. What do you think is the coldest place in the universe? Most people answer instantly. Deep space, empty, dark, forever cold. And honestly, fair guess. Unfortunately, it's wrong. Not almost wrong, not technically wrong, just confidently wrong. Space didn't even win its own category. What cold really means in space? Before we go further, we need to agree on what cold actually means. Scientists don't care about sweaters, they care about absolute zero, minus 273 degrees Celsius. At that point, atoms stop moving. Energy hits the floor, everything just gives up, motivation included. Deep space sits at around minus 270. Cold, yes, but not impressive. The coldest thing we've ever found. The coldest known place in the universe is something called the Boomerang Nebula. It's a cloud of gas inside our galaxy, about 5,000 light years away, and its temperature, minus 272 degrees Celsius, colder than space itself. Somehow a cloud beat the vacuum of space. Astronomers checked the numbers, then checked them again, because this wasn't supposed to happen. Why this shouldn't be possible? Here's why this makes no sense. Space cools naturally because it's empty. The Boomerang Nebula is not empty. It's full of gas, the kind of thing that usually holds heat. So logically, it should be warmer. Instead, it's colder than the background universe, which is like finding a fridge cooling something colder than absolute winter. Physics stared at this and sighed. The trick that breaks the record. So, what's the trick? Speed. The gas inside the Boomerang Nebula is expanding insanely fast. When gas expands that quickly, it loses energy. Temperature drops hard. It cools itself faster than the universe can warm it back up. Basically, it rage quit heat. No new laws of physics, no glitches, just normal rules pushed way too far. Why scientists care about this? This isn't just a fun space record. This object lets scientists study extreme cooling, dying stars, matter near absolute zero. All in one place. If you understand this process, you understand how stars end, and how new systems form from the remains, which is pretty useful. And yes, this is where subscribing quietly helps. This record won't last forever. Now, reality check. The Boomerang Nebula won't stay this cold. Eventually, the expansion slows. Energy returns. The temperature rises. This record will fall one day. But for now, this frozen cloud holds the title for the coldest place we've ever found. Not dramatic, not loud, just quietly unbeatable. Space is never as simple as it looks. We like simple ideas. Space is empty. Space is cold. Space makes sense. But the universe doesn't care what feels intuitive. Sometimes the strangest extremes aren't violent explosions, but calm objects doing something completely unreasonable, which is somehow worse. Departure. So no, the coldest place in the universe isn't deep space. It's a strange, expanding cloud inside our own galaxy, breaking temperature records in silence. If you enjoy moments where space politely ignores common sense, welcome to Across the Space. More journeys are already being prepared. Until next time, keep looking up.